Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Hadian bakaladan ke jingkeno ora bor bat dawa pisa da kidokhat ke AKHAF habakli yaki arngut kirangba nakasnong nong purut bat langkena West Khasi Hills District haka sautari unailar arhajar arpasau nakaliang kinong yalam ke AKHAF kilaong bagani jing syak keno persya yaki nong yalam kadai ke babakla bat ke bomde satya ke bashisha kumban syukudo hangni ketika jingja kalaja hakapor kemba arbaje AA Minstap katba kitiki arngut kidangwan bu beriau na bakli Southwest Khasi Hills District Bat anda kilapoi halat bakli kendit kensan kawe kakali kabadan yu registration number ML KR lai hanyo not pra kalabe yaki nadien bat na kaliang kitiki arngut kilaya thuru bahadin bakila pensange yakakali na katika kali lami sangut kibrio kibakam yarade baki deki seng all Khasi Hills Achik Federation balayalam de Vikesh Dimarak nakashnong bakli konjoy Southwest Khasi Hills District Shushu kitiki arngut kilaya thuru baki deki brio kila dawa pisa Bat namar bakim don pisa kila syasyo bat syara bor syaklau haringkat ke berngam bersit bat enda la syai ke bening kila pelaj no ringkat bat ke jing berngam bersit balada kilap biang bakiwan syakati ke jaka kinthang bat kali bat brio na kaliang kitiki arngut halor ketika jingja ke hendru tarik unailar arjar arpesau kila lej ban ujo da ke FIR nong halam police station persya ya kitiki brio bat kila kerpat ru eki bor jangkaan bakin kem bat bensitom ya kitiki brio kat kum ki kendon an Halor kani kebentah bakren syakilap pathai kubor mentakasngi ke pratarik unailar arhajar alpesau Hashilong Press Club Emmanuel CH Marak General Secretary ke AKHAF ulaong bakini kijingkeno kimdei ki bashisha bat kerpat baki patba kimdei satya ban pensapryang kulmari ki khubor lamler namar kala banyalam syakinu kinu kijingja ki ba om smotenat Emmanuel ulaong baki teki arngut ki brio ki lakam yalade kum kinongnya kali kamai Henry kidei kinong shalan masitu sya Bangladesh kebala penong yaki dekhot ke AKHAF ban pensange yaki da ka jingmut baki dei kinong Bangladesh ki bawan rum tu syapo India namar ka jingya ken at hapo Bangladesh bat ka klemdan satya kanu kanu ka jingjrong kti yaki teki brio kumbala keno
So today we are here to clarify some of the incidents happened on 4th of August. So there are some false allegations towards our organization that we had we had torture or like we had abduct some Khasi villagers, two Khasi peoples in Maheskola Konjoy area. But so that is totally false allegations, wrong informations. So on that base, we are here to clarify about that incident. So actually, it doesn't happen as per the informations we got, as per the statements which they had made. So that is totally wrong. So that's what we are humbly requesting our fellow friends, so not to give such false allegations or wrong information towards our people, because through these wrong informations and false allegations, so it might happen something in our societies among the brothers and sisters. So that's what we are here. And actually that incident happened. So actually they are not non-Kamai Gali. So actually they are not that part of person. So actually those persons who are doing like cattle smuggling, those who are doing this cattle smuggling. So that's what I think. I think there are some of our, I think so, but that is not sure. Even we don't know that the proper incident. We don't know, but from some of these sources, we come to know that they are doing cattle smuggling to the Bangladesh. So I think one of our colleague, we can say, they are Konjoy, Maheskola and Konjoy regional members, I think, yes. So they had stopped those people. So due to this high tension in the border area nowadays, because of that because of that situation. So people all out there, so they had stopped doing all these things. They had stopped. So from the sources that we come to know that they had stopped those people, but they didn't stop there, and then they had stopped. So that's it. Nothing happened as the like whatever they had given the statements. So from our side, if anyone like our members, if they did such things from the CSC itself, we never tolerate such kind of things if it's happened. But if it's not happened, that means we feel very sad that some of our friends, they are giving such false allegations towards our organization. So that's what we are here to clarify. So that's it from our side. No, actually, we are not going to sue any like there will be some misunderstanding among us. So we never going to sue any case or anything related to these statements. But yes, there might be some mistaken, but we excuse as a brothers and sisters. So as we are living together, so we are living happily in our areas. We know in our area it's a mixed community. So sometimes it's happened like small things happen, but through that small incidents, so we want to make a big issue. So sometimes because of this wrong informations and all, so it used to create what to say, it's a big tension, huh? It used to create tension. So that's what, so from our side, so it's okay, but we have discussed with our friends also. I think just few hours before we had discussed with them also. We had called up a meeting along with Southwest Brazil's KSU, Mr. Forwardman Nongren. So he is the president of there. So we had discussed regarding this. So we had come to compromise through these incidents.
But don't you think this is going to tarnish the image of your CC, of your group?
Yes, of course, it used to tarnish, but then if these things happen, so we'll take such strict actions. Those who did such things, if they did so, then we will punish. There is since we are the organizations, we have the constitution by law and all, so we have that. We have a right to take disciplinary action. If any of our members commit such a mistake, so there is rules and regulations. So we will look into it if they did so. But right now we are here, so we cannot understand what happened exactly. So we'll visit that spot. We'll go and check out what is the real fact, what the real happened. We have to clarify that one. Then only after clarifying, then we'll let you know later on. Actually, we don't know exactly right now, but then from some of these sources, we come to know that. So actually, those two people, they are carrying cattle through border. So there are some people, so that the person who are from that area, so they stop because of this high tension in the border area nowadays. So that's it only. Or like abductions or like torture, that is nothing happened. That is simply, it's a false information, that's it.
So who had made this allegation? Your
No, actually, those two people only, those who used to involve in this smuggling and all that, those people only, they had given this kind of allegation. Belong to all caste civils Khasi Hills region. Yes.
Excuse me, where
Mukolwat district.
Where is this
Ranipur area.
Okay. Where is this incident take place?
It's under Ranigor block, That is Mahaskola, no, Konjai,
Conjoy.
yes.
It
And
happened
when-
on the
It's happened on 4th of August.
at what time?
It's around like 2 p.m. 2 p.m. That is nothing happened. And then as of now we are working together only. We are working together. We never differentiate with any organizations, or we are never go against with any organization. No. Right now we are working together only. Whenever there is any problems and all, we used to sort out together. Now also through this incident also we had called up together, we had discussed, we had set a meeting together, and we had settled on this issue.
Lastly, I just want to ask you, because here the should come inside.
Yeah. That is the main issue.
Yeah. What
So
steps you
now it's a very from our side we had informed all those villages, headmen and all to be alert, because now Bangladesh situation is going on worse and worse, and they might come to our area also. So that's what last time I just informed, I just called up BSF personnel also regarding this high tension in the border area. So they should call up all the villages people, like those who are headmen and all. They should call up and they should give the knowledge to the peoples regarding this issue. Or else, many of the border areas, there are lots of gap. They may come easily. They may enter in our state. So that's what we should be very alert. We have to be aware of that. So on that basis, we have talked with this BSF personnel also.
coming back